Learn about CPS Test and its features. The following is the mathematical formula used to calculate CPS. Your CPS score is calculated as follows: clicks per seconds. Key principles of CPS test. Set the length of the test, such as 1-second test, 5-second test or 10 seconds test. User-friendly interface. Safe and secure to use. No usage restrictions apply. Browser compatibility. Social media sharing. How does the CPS test online measure clicking speed? Step 1. Open Google in either of your browsers and type cpselecttest.com into the search bar. Pick the top outcome. Step 2. Start clicking on the Click to Start test clicking pad that is visible in the center. Step 3. The timer begins once you begin receiving clicks. The 5-second timer is default set, although you can also set your own timers. Step 4. When the timer expires, your click counter test will stop, and you will see the results in a pop-up window. How to increase clicks per second? Employ drag clicking. One of the fastest clicking methods is drag clicking. The frictions between the mouse and finger have been taken into account in these procedures. 25 to 100 CPS is the range of click rates. Dragging the drag target as quickly as you can is the test's goal. Both the drag and the drag target are names for it. The test counts how many clicks you'll make when briefly dragging the drag to the drag target. Employing the jitter clicking technique. Would you like to play professionally? If so, all you need to do is perfect the jitter click technique. Jitter clicking is a method that users can use to click the mouse more frequently and more fast. Users of this technique can click as quickly as they can using one finger, typically the index. Applying the butterfly clicking method. Another technique that might crazily enhance your click speed is butterfly clicking. The butterfly clicking strategy seeks to maximize user clicks within a specific time frame, raising their CPS score and improving their gaming efficiency. The range of clicks per second is 15 to 25 CPS,